Hey, so what's going on, guys? So we're gonna do something completely off topic as from the norm. Um, I went to go charge this battery yesterday. No dice. The charger doesn't register. It's a 20-volt max dewalt battery. I was watching something on YouTube this morning as to how to trick these things to get your charger to actually read them. I don't know why it's been drained so deep. It was sitting in my heated hoodie for 2-3 weeks. Haven't even used it. I pulled it off the charger, put it in the adapter in my hoodie, and it's been sitting there since not used. So, from what I was reading or watching there, I got the other battery just getting a real quick top up. So on one side you got a B1 or B1. Is it B1? No, B positive. And then you got a B negative. So battery positive, battery negative. So what you're supposed to do, apparently, is you make a jumper wire to go from this battery, from your battery positive. You take your other good battery, go to battery positive, and then you do the same thing with the negative side. Apparently it only takes a few seconds. You hook it up, I guess, just to give it a quick shot, like a little bit of a charge. Just enough so your charger can acknowledge it and start charging. So you know what? We'll see if it works. I don't know. I mean, if the battery's toast, it's toast. It is what it is. But I know these ones are getting old. I think these batteries came in a set of tools, and I want to say they're about 5-6 years old now. So they've seen better days. Not like I use them all the time, but they got, like, based off of age and some use and bunch of part charges, it's got lots of those done to it. So you know what, let's give it a shot, see what happens. I'm gonna move the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. So this is what's happening. Then you put it in the charger. If it started blinking, it'd be making a liar out of me, but nothing, right? Nothing. So you take the good battery, you put it on, and boom, it does its thing. So, I'll grab wire snips. I normally use sight cutters. I'm not used to putting the camera, like, I'm looking, how do I put this? I'm standing behind the camera looking down at everything. So, let's get this stripped. I believe these are 16 gauge. Yeah, that works. So, how's everybody doing? Got a household of sick again this weekend. Wife's got a cold. Kiddo's got a cold. Just been a hectic last couple of weeks with colds. So just gotta remember, this is the bad battery, this one's the good. If I was doing this a bunch of times, I would probably actually go and put blade, spade, whatever on these. So you got these little, if it shows up here, this is why a blade connector would work really good, because they got like those little spring tabs or whatever in there. Okay, oops. One side, two side, those are in. Like I said, I have no idea if this is going to work, but you know what? It doesn't hurt to try. I only have these two batteries. I mean, they've, lasted a lot of years, so let's see. Good, no explosions. Perfect. I'll leave this stuff sit for a couple minutes. I probably could put my voltage tester on there and do a resistance test, but I mean, I don't know how that would even work with a battery. Not too sure. So, we're about 10 seconds roughly in. We'll wait roughly another 10 more here. Okay, let's see. It said only a few seconds, but I don't know. Let's see. Is this going to work or fail? I'll put it back on if I have to for a little bit. Nope, still nothing. Okay. Okay, we'll put this back on. And we'll leave it sit for maybe 30 seconds or something like that. We'll see what happens. Like I say, I don't know if this is going to work. I don't know if it's not going to work. I don't know. Never done it before. So, battery positive to battery positive. Battery negative to battery negative. Hope those are making a good connection. It's hard to tell. They don't feel crazy tight, but there's definitely resistance when they go in. So we're at what? Okay, so we'll start. Well, I'll say 5 minutes or 5 seconds already on the clock. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna pause this. There's no point in sitting here just counting down the timer with me. I'll save you guys the boring part. I'll be back. All right, let's see what happens here. Take you out of the phone holder. Come on, I hope it works. Nope, nothing. Try the good battery, make sure it still works. And it's not something. Okay, it still works. So I'm going to say, so far I'm going to look into this a little bit. I'm going to say false. It does not always save batteries. Some like say some of the things I was reading up, guys are like, oh yeah, it always saves your battery, blah blah blah. You can get it, or it may not save it, but you can get it to take a charge again. So far I say debunked. We will check this out again a little bit later. I'm going to test it again because that battery's not 100% charged. It's not also dead either. It's got some charge in it, but we'll try it again once it gets full charge. So I don't know, won't be long. All right, it is fully charged. Let's try this one more time. I'm sure every battery is going to be a different story here, but you know what? Like I said, let's give her the old go and see what happens. I've been wanting larger capacity batteries anyways. Not that I need them, but every now and again, when you're out doing something, it'd be nice to have that extra capacity for whatever the reason is. I mean, like, I'll take my impact with me on ATVing trips for the impact in case if I blow a belt or anything. Makes it quick and easy to change them out. I don't think I should have folded those wires, but we'll see. There we go. That one's got connection, all right. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. I don't see why it would, but you never know. My luck is about usually as good as stepping on a cactus and not getting a thorn in the foot. So, let's see. It's all the way in. Give it about, because like I said, the videos I saw said to only leave it on for a few seconds. I don't know. Never done this. Not experienced with it. Again, so we'll see. I got zero experience. This is a first for me. So we are roughly, what is that? Now 10 seconds. 15 roughly. Let's see what happens. Let's see. I'm going to take you guys out of the tripod here. There we go. Bad battery. Come on, work. Nothing. Nothing. Just to show the charger is working. Boom. That was the good battery. Bad battery. Nilch. I think it's official. Might work for some. Definitely didn't work on mine. So I figured take you guys for a really quick ride along on this to see what happens. Who knows? Didn't work though in this case. Anyways, talk to you guys later.